Okay guys, so I have a project and it's gonna be fixing this bathroom. Obviously it's very like bad right now, in really bad shape. Everything's breaking down. Everything is bad, dirty, nasty, crusty, rusty, musty. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. It's not musty, it's the bathroom. It is musty. Okay. Anyhow, when you have boys, they want to climb on these things and break stuff apart. And that, I broke that one. Yeah, kids break everything.
I got, because I saw a spider and I got scared, so I grabbed it and I jumped and then it went like near my collarbone and it hurt.
Okay, well, yep. Just stay tuned for that, guys. So right now I'm gonna start cleaning this bathroom. It's really very neglected, as you can see. Alright guys, so I'm almost done cleaning the bathroom and it was a big task because there's, I don't know if I'm picky, but any little thing that I see that is dirty, I have to get it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like so far. And I still have the bleach. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. Not sure if you guys remember the little corners being super dirty. But yeah, it's a really hard task. But I like to use the Clorox wipes and the Clorox cleanup. That Clorox cleanup is really good because you don't have to sit there and scrub the crap out of everything with that. You just spray it on and it takes the dirt and the grime and all of that nastiness really easy without having to sit there and put a whole bunch of elbow grease. If you guys know what that is. And then I use Comet for the tub and the toilet and in the sink area. And it really works out for me. And no, this is not a sponsor ad. So let me continue so that we can get this place painted already. Alright guys, so I'm starting to paint. I'm gonna paint all the edges, all the trimmings first. See how that goes because it's very hard to trim all the edges. And Jesse's just waiting for me to paint.
Help. I wanna help.
Yeah, you wanna help? We'll see. So yeah, let's see what it looks like when it's done, guys. This is what it looks like so far, guys. It's not perfect, but it's better than, you know, how it was. Love it. You guys like the color? Isn't it nice? It looks like the rest of the house, but yeah. There's certain parts that are not the greatest, like right there, you see there's that spot right there, that spot right there. But it's okay. It's DIY. Stick around guys so that you can see the finishing touches. Alright, I'm gonna paint this red. And that's gonna look so cool, guys. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I finished it. Final look. Alright, the girls are gonna see what it looks like. Come here guys, girls.
Oh, yes, honey.
You like it?
Yeah. I
So
love it.
pretty.
Hopefully less
Oh my god.
long this clean.
I'm gonna keep coming in here for selfies.
Yeah, I figured that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this before and after video of our remodeling our bathroom. So all in all, we basically spent like around $5 to $10 because the towel was $3 something at Walmart, and then the vinyl I bought and I cut with my machine, which was each piece was $1, 12 by 12 piece, a little square, and I cut it into the little kisses. So there you have it, a remodeled bathroom for the price of around $5 to $10. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm gonna say, God bless. Peace out.